Hi everybody, just reporting a huge earthquake, a 6.4 magnitude that hit China. The epicenter, I believe, is Ozek in China, followed by an aftershocks that hit like a 6.0, and currently right now is a 4.9. This is a third earthquake that was felt in southern Xinjiang, China, within 47 hours. So it's reported on there, aftershocks happening there. As like China, they said that there has been no tsunami warning. There was a tsunami warning, but now they lifted on that. So again, a 6.4 aftershock that hit 6.4 magnitude earthquake that hit Ozek, China. Here's the reports here on the 4 point now currently on there. There has not been a tsunami yet, but here's the information on that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.